Hello guys, today I will be showing
How
you
to fix a no sound on PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few steps here on how to fix a no sound on PC. So first step, go to control panel. Okay, go to your start menu, go to control panel, tap on open. And then this time you have to look for sound. You can also go to category to set this into large in case it is set to small icons. Scroll down, tap on sound right here, a double tap or double click. And then here what you're going to do is you have to look for the sound that you're currently using. For example, is there any problem with the headphones or speaker? You just have to click that one. Disable first, then click enable. After that, tap again, right click, and then this time you have to go to properties, click properties here, tap on levels, and then try to decrease or increase. Make sure also that this is not mute. Now go to enhancement, and then you should see the option or a box that says here disable all enhancement. You have to click this one. So you need to tap this, tap on the apply, and then OK. After that, you can close this one, go back to your start menu again, and then this time you have to look for device manager. Here on device manager, you have to look again for audio. And you have to tap this sound or any tool right here that you encounter this no sound on your PC. It could be your speaker or headphones. You have to make sure that you're using the updated version. So yes, updating the audio driver via device manager can definitely help fix no sound issues on a PC. If the audio driver is outdated, missing, or corrupted, your sound system may not work properly. It's very important that you're using the latest version. So once done, you can now close this. And then the next step here is to go to sound again. So you can go to your start menu and then go to settings or system. Scroll down here, go to sounds, and then tap that specific tool that you are having problem of. For example, the sound right here, tap on troubleshoot. So to troubleshoot sound and fix no sound issues on your PC, you just have to simply use the Windows built-in tool. You have to simply run troubleshoot button. So follow the prompts. Windows will scan for common issues like muted or disabled services, incorrect playback device, driver issues, and audio services not running. So all you have to do is to follow the steps on how to fix this. Windows will show you how to fix this one once they have detected the problem. So these are just a few methods on how to fix no sound on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.